have found the perfect formula that gives me the most beautiful lashes, all while keeping them healthy and nourished.
My name is Randi, and I'm going to take you through my lash routine.
My lash routine always starts with my holy grail lash product, RevitaLash Advanced Lash Serum. This serum nourishes my lashes and even gives my lashes a natural curl and lift with breakthrough technology called the curl effect. I apply on clean and dry lashes above the lash line, being very careful not to make contact with my skin. One swipe on each eye. While my serum dries, I usually take this time to brush my teeth before moving on to my base makeup. Now I go in with my eyeliner. A tip I have for anyone with oily eyelids like me is to use a primer on my lids. This gives the liner a perfect base and allows your liner to stay all day. My favorite liner is RevitaLash Cosmetics Defining Liner. I add some liner to my lash line to help create the illusion of thicker lashes, and then I go in with a brush, which gives me a lot more control as I perfect the look and create a baby wing. Then I move on to my lower lash line. I actually like to change the color of my eyeliner to dark brown for my lower lash line, which helps my eye color pop. To soften the liner, I add dark brown eyeshadow and smudge out the liner with a brush just to give it a smoky look. And don't worry about getting a little messy with it because you can always go back in afterwards and clean it up. Next, I add mascara. I'm using RevitaLash Cosmetics double-ended volume set. This mascara enhances my natural lashes by giving it unbelievable volume, and that all starts with the Indigo Blue Primer. I start by running the brush across my lashes just to get as much product as possible on them before I get started. And then I go in like regular, wiggling at the base, pulling through the end. And then I follow that same application technique for volumizing mascara. I always go in with a second coat to perfect and separate. And that is my final look.